Hey guys, Darth Fifi here with another video, and today we are unboxing one Gremlin from Gremlins 2,
one Ninja Turtle,
one Ninja Turtle,
and one
Minecraft,
and one Rick and Morty,
one Rick and Morty, and another Rick and Morty. Let's begin. We're in the London Hotel, so let's start off. No, it's just in this area. But the lighting's good in the hotel. So let's start with this, the Rick and Morty. Oh guys. So I'll start off. Let's see what we get. So we get this, and we also get Mr. So I'm not gonna say his name because it's kind of bad, and this is a G-rated channel. But yeah, so there he is. He's a character from Rick and Morty. It's rated PG-13. I watch it, but you guys shouldn't watch it. Okay, you guys. Number 13. So here are all the people we can get. We already have them at home, so. Here it is. Oh, that's a card. So, trash.
I got him.
Oh, so you got April. So here it is. The tag's on it. Sorry guys, but let me try to take it off. There you go. I took off the tag. Shiny, so the light will bounce off of it. And get closer. And here it is. And we got April from Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles right there. Oh no! Get into the fridge. So here are all the things you can get. Yeah, come on, open it. Let's see what we got. Ooh, we got a skeleton with a pumpkin head on it. So this happens on PC during Halloween, I think. And also sometimes you can just generate in Pocket Edition here. Let me show you. Top. There we go. So here is what the thing looks like, and behind it are all the things you can get. You can get all of these in gold. And let's see where we got. Where is it? Right there. Skeleton with a pumpkin on its head. Right there. See it? So there's so many cool things. To the next box. So now it's my turn. And it sounded like I just said Xbox. Next box. Actually, we have this guy at home. And Mr. Meeseeks we have from this box. There are all the people you can get. And the blue guy, Mr. Meeseeks, in the middle, top middle, we have. So let's hope we don't get that. I'm hoping we get either Rick
or that guy.
Yeah, I don't know what that guy's name is. The one with the four arms. Like Lord Ninjago. Hey guys, Trash Bag Gaming here. Oh yeah, gaming. Speaking of gaming, go check out my new gaming channel right there. That's the description. Oh hey, we got Birdman. Ooh, that's really cool. That's 1 out of 12, so that's not bad. For every 12 boxes, you get one of these guys. That's really cool. So here's Birdman. It's pretty cool. I like him. He's cool. He's a cool guy in the series. Here is the last one, Gremlins. Let me take off the price tag so you can see the people.
Oh, I know who's
So here are
that.
all the people. I want either one of the mysteries.
I really want that guy.
I don't know. All of them look really cool. Yay! Let's see what we got.
I think we got a mystery.
Hey, we got. This is Gizmo. He's the OG of Gremlins. But here he is. His name's Brown. Pretty cool. We got April from Ninja Turtles. We got a skeleton with a pumpkin on it. And we got Birdman. It is also Brown from Gremlins 2. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Right there, subscribe. Right there, check out my other channel where Max's head is. And right somewhere here, YouTube thinks you'll enjoy that video. So I'll see you guys in another video. Bye-bye.